So my name is Monsieur Augustine. If you are here for the first time, just remember to subscribe, hit that notification bell. At the same time, if you happen to like the video, don't forget to give a thumbs up. So today is on a Friday, and I'm back at my home rural area. It's due to Kenyan politics, and I've been so idle, and I'm so chaotic when it comes to as an individual. Once I'm idle, I'm so chaotic. So I thought, why can't I come and keep myself busy at a small farm? The crops which I'm harvesting at the moment were planted maybe late February or early March, so that's why I'm harvesting. But at the same time, this is a planting season. Some early individuals plant even in the early month of June, July, and even late March. As you can see, this piece of land, it has not been plugged. So my main job is harvesting, and I want to harvest. I want to show you how we harvest back here in rural area. At the same time, I'm going to prune some tree, which is a graph area. I'm going to show you at the same time. But for now, let's do this. So you can't say that the harvest is so bad. At the same time, you can't say the harvest is so good, because there are some plants or some crops which are so small, which can even disappoint you not to attempt any farming in this season. So you can say it's average kind of produce, because for instance this you can't say it's so bad, but this one is just totally a poor harvest. You have spent your money, your cash, doing this kind of stuff, and at the end of 4 3 months you come up with this one. Is no it's not something good, but at the same time it gives you kind of a fact and information what farmers undergo through during the planting season, at the same time during the harvesting season. So this is how sometimes you get disappointed as a farmer. But there is something I wanted to show you. For instance, if you at this harvesting season, almost every kind of a grain is so dry. But if you want to test it to find if it's so sweet, so that you can roast it, then this is how we do it. It's kind of sweet, but not that sweet. At the same time, it's so hard, so it's not good for roasting. You just throw it to where you have put some whips, then you can pick them when you are transporting them. This is so sweet, and the, the fruit is the grains are so juicy. So I'm going to put it aside so that I will roast it, and at the same time, this in our mother tongue we call it amatongoro. This kind of an uniformed what produce. Some of the grains are not that uniformly uniformly done what uniformly placed. It's there are some spots which are empty, while others are more of put together. So in my language, it's known as amatongoro. That's it. So this is for roasting. So now we are almost, I believe since I began, this is the biggest I've harvested. So huge. So we are almost now becoming to a conclusion. Then this is these are gravelia trees we planted some few years back. They are growing nice. So this is how we normally prune our trees back at home. We normally use a panga as the main tool to prune our trees. So our next step is just to move this from this position because this is sorghum which is growing and putting this in the direction. We need to pick this maize, then to take it to our home. Thanks for watching. My name has been Mosom Augustine. If you are here for the first time, just remember to subscribe, hit that notification bell at the same time. If you are so happy with this video, why can't you give it a thumbs up?